Folks, I just want to tell you about my least favorite part of call center life: coaching. You know the drill. Managers listening in on one of your calls, you're under the gun to say everything exactly right. But in the back of your head, you already know that no matter what, he's gonna find something to fuss about. Then you'll get some useless, generic advice like improve your tone, or have better call control, or lower your AHT, or else. Oh, what about this one? More empathy? Yeah, that's real helpful. You know what would actually be helpful? Some kind of genie or guide to help me navigate through this complex maze of technology. Something that can give useful suggestions while I'm trying to be empathetic with customers? Even better, how about we have that genie take notes for me during calls? Then you won't have to keep coaching me on my post-call work. Now that would be awesome. Because I already know what I need to do, I just need something to show me how to do it better. Also, free pro tip, a little positive reinforcement goes a long way. Maybe try it sometime. And don't make me listen to my past calls over and over again. I guarantee you, I will zone out, and anything you say to me after that won't sink in at all. So, in conclusion, I need a call center genie, not a coach. Let's make it happen, people.